So this is printer number 2. Printer number 1 I bought obviously because it has amazing reviews, but I noticed inconsistent printing. I cleaned the print heads. It didn't help, but every few every few labels I would print, I'd have to clean them again. I also had a ton of issues with the app. Saving templates doesn't seem to help. Like the size will be different, the borders will be different, the letter thickness will be different, even if the settings all say that they're the same. So what I ended up doing, which is what you see here, is making these really long lists so that all of the labels for each thing that I do, like, you know, I organized under my countertop and I put little labels so that all of those could be the same, or this is for a craft project. And anyway, so I tried contacting the seller, but I couldn't because it was outside of the return window. I thought maybe it was my fault because I jammed the printer on my first use, thinking, okay, well, you know, I can deal with the app issues if I can get a good print quality. So, printer number 2, the app is still really terrible, and that is what we're looking at here. So right here we have print attempt number 1. I had to print the whole list, otherwise I probably wouldn't get the same result. And obviously it's really small, so I adjusted only the size, and that's when I got this stuff. And it somehow added a border. I went back in and double checked the settings. There was no border. It said specifically no border. So I have no idea why it printed like this. I turned the machine off, I left, I came back, and this is the 3rd attempt, and that one was what I wanted. It has the right size, the right thickness, and it fits on these little tabs, which you can see are kind of small. Obviously I've cut all of these up and I've, you know, labeled a bunch of stuff. But I forgot some, so I went back in, you know, to add for like to and from stamps, or I have a bunch of leaf stamps. So anyways, I added these ones in. I used the same exact template as this one. This one was listed as 32, so I went back in, I printed 32. I used the exact same thing. I just deleted the words, typed these words in, and it's weirdly smaller. So I went back in and I raised the number up to 40, I believe 41. And so you can tell that it's still not the same. So this is print attempt number 5 for this craft labeling project. And you can see, like, it's just different. It's just different. It's not thick enough. It's not big enough, but I mean, it's almost the same size, and I just have no idea why. So it's driving me nuts. I'm kind of mad at this thing. Yeah, just wanted you all to know.
So this is my small video review. This is a machine. It is so cute. The power button, a charging port, which makes it easier to use because who wants to have to put batteries all the time when we have electricity? And this is a button you can also press to load the cartridges. And here they are. It comes with 4. We've got baby pink, green, and white. And here's the cute box that it comes in. And look at all the different styles that they have as well. One second. See? So order more labels and have fun, because I know I am, especially with starting the school season with little kids, that you can use it to put their names on everything, their water bottles, all that fun stuff, so things won't get lost. If it's in a lost and found, it's easier to get a hold of and back home safely. So you guys try it out. It's good for the price. It's awesome. I absolutely love it. It's a cute little printer. I use it for my tinctures and stuff. You can see I made one for my label maker. My dog thinks so too. So, has this little cutter that cuts it. Comes out right here. Overall, these little cartridges, they come out really good. This one's like a green color, I believe. Or no, black and white. It came with 3 colors, so yep, I like it. It connects right to your phone with an app. Overall, it's great for what I need it for.
So you have the power button here. You have the, what is that? The charger part here. This is where the label comes out. This is where you cut the label off. It comes with the cord here. And it comes with 4 packs of tape. So cute and so lightweight. Look, size of my hand. It's really nice. You connect this to your phone. You open this up, and this is where your tape goes. Pretty simple to handle. I think it's great.